All right, guys, this is my 2022 GMC Yukon XL. It's the SLE, but it has the Duramax engine. So it's the 3-liter, I think it's twin turbo or one turbo, turbocharged diesel engine. And we've got about 4,500 miles on it. And I just got the DPF, the diesel particulate filter cleaning warning. I want to show you that. All right, inside here, I open up the manual here. The diesel particulate filter, it's kind of for emissions, but it'll self-clean. You see here that it will self-clean as part of normal operation once every fuel tank. Now, this is the first time we've received the message, but if we can see right here, this can take up to 30 minutes to do the self-cleaning procedure. And it asks you to keep driving around and almost for 30 minutes. So let's see if we... Okay, see how it says cleaning exhaust filter, continue driving. Now, it doesn't want you to idle. You actually need to be driving it. It will, we're driving this on about probably a 60 to 70 mile drive on the highway tomorrow. So that'll be plenty of time. But if you continually kind of ignore this message here, so if I just do like a short trip and then shut it down again and it doesn't go through the full cleaning cycle, after several attempts of that, it will give a malfunction. And so you want to make sure that if it gives you this warning, you want to just try to, as best as possible, do a kind of a longer drive until this warning kind of comes off the screen, and then you know that their DPF is clean. So you see here I have 4,500 miles on the, and this is the first time we've seen this message. And so I don't know if this has just happened before and we didn't know about it, or if this is the first time it's doing this, but this is the first time we've seen it in 4,500 miles. I didn't really know when to expect this, so probably about every 4,500 miles. If you do a lot of like longer drives, it shouldn't be a problem. But if you do a lot of shorter commute, just like really short trips, like sometimes we just do short trips just around the block and so forth, that's not going to sufficiently clean the filter. The exhaust system has to really heat up really hot to kind of clean out that filter, and so it needs to have a longer time. But you can't, it specifically says in the book, don't just let it idle. You need to be driving it, and the exhaust will change a little bit, the fuel economy will change a little bit, but it kind of goes through that procedure. All right, I just drove for about, I don't know, it was only 5 to 8 minutes, not very long, and that message went off. So that was enough to, I drove long enough to get that message off. So it really wasn't that big of a deal. But be aware that when you do get that, just heed the prompting and drive a little bit longer to get that off. If you do a lot of short trips, you'll probably see that. We've probably been doing a lot of short trips in this recently. That's probably why it's come on. But all right, so that information I found in the diesel engine supplement for this vehicle. Pretty straightforward, but you know, those are the kind of things you deal with the diesel, the modern diesel engine. You know, the DEF, the diesel exhaust fluid, these the particulate filters. That's just kind of how these new modern diesels are, you know, with the emissions and things. So, but I think even though it wasn't that big of a deal, it wasn't much of a hassle at all. I still think this vehicle's awesome. The engine's great. Really have had great success with it, and it's been great. Fuel economy's been great. The power's good, runs smooth. So we're really happy with this diesel engine in this Yukon. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.